Welcome back, Blessed family. Pedro here with another video. Just wanted to create this video for you guys and show you this amazing trade setup that we had on gold, and price ended up going in our favor. We traded the NFP news that came out this last Friday. We profited over 300 pips, guys, in our favor. So if you're looking to catch trades like these, make sure you stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you exactly step by step how I was able to catch this amazing opportunity. Also, before we begin this video, make sure you click the link below, guys, to join in our free Telegram group that we have, Blessed Traders Academy. Absolutely free, guys. And also make sure you join in the VIP Inner Circle. The link is also in the video description below, guys, if you're looking to level up or take your trading to that next level. With that being said, guys, let's dive right in. All right, guys, let's dive right in, guys. So as you can see, we were able to profit over 322 pips, guys, in our favor. I'll be quite honest with you guys. With this gold trade, I was only able to catch up to here, which was about 200 pips. And I did send this through my VIP. I let my students know literally before it started peaking at these highs here. I told them to get in a buys. I told them kind of at this mid-level range area. Pretty much we were able to profit over 200 and it went over 216 pips, but price ended up going over 356 pips, guys, which is crazy. So anyways, if you're looking to join my VIP, guys, the link is in the video description below. Go check that out. With that being said, guys, let's just focus on what did I see with gold? What was the opportunity that I saw? And one of the things I want to mention here, guys, is I want you guys to stay encouraged. You know what I mean? If you're just starting out, if you're new to trading, just keep in mind to be able to find these amazing trade setups, it takes time, right? But also it takes years of discipline and effort, guys. You know what I mean? It's not going to happen overnight. Okay. Another thing you have to really focus on too is realizing that trading is all about probabilities, right? And you want to focus on the most high probable setups, focusing on quality over quantity. You don't want to focus on just getting into trades to get in and having the feeling that you're just in a trade. Okay. You want to really focus on only quality setups. Okay. That's only things we want to focus on. So let's go to the daily. Let's dive in. Let's see what I saw. And I'm going to show you guys so that you guys can scope out opportunities like this and be able to profit as well. Okay, so what did we see here? So we saw that gold on the daily. Let's start as always. You guys know how it is. We always look at the bigger picture, higher time frames. What were we looking at? We were at a level of support. Not only that, I also noticed that pretty much when price had closed here. So you saw how the trade ended up going. Let me clear the charts here to start fresh. So what I noticed was that we were pretty much at this major support level. So let's go back up to the daily. Charts are all cleared up. We were at a major support level here. Okay, now when you narrow this down, before all of this happened, which is this candle over here, I'm going to show you exactly here, this candle right here, we knew that price had closed bullish on the daily with this previous candle over here. Not only is that super bullish, but not only that, it's showing that price is respecting this level of structure. It's showing that this level of support is being respected. So I knew that most likely this next candle was going to be to the upside. Okay, now what did I see? So I narrowed it down to the 4-hour time frame to get a little bit more clarity. Okay, and none of this was existent. So it was a slight little pullback, but we didn't have anything like this candle here, obviously. So what I noticed was on the 1-hour time frame, we started to form some sort of an ascending wedge pattern formation. I said this in my live stream in that morning. It was NFP, and we were able to profit immensely off of this. Take a look at this. We saw this opportunity here, guys, and look at this. I saw, hey guys, I'm noticing an ascending wedge pattern formation. I saw price creating higher lows, okay, and failing to break above these highs. So I was saying that, you know what, we were starting to see that bullish pressure come up. And how did I notice that? Well, you will see when price starts to form this kind of wedge pattern formation, you'll see it start creating these higher lows, and you can usually anticipate that price is going to continue to go in the direction it previously went. So you see this move here, we can anticipate that similar move to the upside. Now, sometimes with these pattern formations, we can anticipate a break below, and typically the break below comes back down to the beginning of this wedge pattern formation, which is usually this area over here. Usually that if price does break below, we wait for a retest and it comes back down usually to this this lower end. We knew that when we got the news here at 8:30, if I'm not wrong, I can't remember, this was on Friday, NFP, we saw that price started to pull back. And I mentioned that too. I said, guys, I'm not looking for buys yet until we break above these highs here on the 15-minute. We're on the 15-minute time frame, by the way. And we saw price slowly come back up here. This is 7:45. And then I was like, you know what, guys, I'm not entering until we get a closure above or we get the volume pushing it well above these highs. Now, I told the live stream, hey guys, we're most likely going to pull back down to this lower level before we go to the upside, and price went exactly as expected here. We got that pull retracement here, and then we saw that shoot up to the upside. And this is where I told my VIP students, and I updated them, and I said, guys, we are going to enter here. We're going to set our stops well below these lows here, okay? And we were literally with no drawdown, guys. At this point, no drawdown. We had price go to the upside. And how are we able to mark off these levels? We can look to the left-hand side, and one of my levels was this area. I know that for sure. And then my next level area for target for gold was these highs above here, okay? This is literally what you want to look for. And this is how I was able to scope out these levels and be like, okay, 215 pips. That was our total take profit, right? We had our TP1 here at 91 pips, and then price ended up going well above 355 pips, guys, in the same direction we were anticipating. And not only that, I want you guys to understand that this is just structure. This is just basic market structure. But check this out. We also had a double bottom here form. We had that strong momentum breaking these highs here as well. We could have anticipated gold to come down lower. So that's why I said there was two scenarios panning out here at this direction. What really made me kind of continue to go in the buys or longs bias was because we were forming this ascending wedge pattern formation. Now I knew that there could have been a chance that it maybe would have retested lower, and then for that news it could have been bearish, yes. But once I started getting the rejection here, I told my VIP, I said, guys, we got to get in here on buys, and price shot up. And typically, even when you see price come up to these highs here and you see it start coming back down, people start freaking out. This is where you understand once you start getting that rejection again, you can anticipate a strong continuation after news like this, guys. And literally, this is a beautiful trade. How price went in our favor. And guys, we caught mad pips on this, guys, and I'm very, very proud of what we were able to take advantage, right? It's all about opportunities in the markets, okay? It's not always going to be like that, so don't feel bad when it doesn't go in your favor or it hits a stop loss. For example, this trade, we were risking 35 pips. Sometimes you manage your risk, it is what it is, and you move on. You just keep in mind, guys, that there will always be opportunities, right? So don't pressure yourself so much on having to take this trade or feeling bad or FOMOing in because you miss that big push, right? So just keep that in mind. You don't want to miss on the big pushes, guys. You don't want to feel the FOMO, sorry, on the big pushes, because that's going to really mess up your psychology. You want to stick to your trading plan, guys, and trust me, that's how you're going to be able to see these amazing opportunities, guys. Not only that, before I finish this off, guys, this is crazy, but before I finish this off, check this out. On the daily, this was also forming a potential double bottom. You can already see it here. So I can anticipate gold, especially because we're breaking above these highs. One of two things. It could either pull back and then continue to go higher, but I think it may come back up to these highs, retesting this level structure. So we could see gold coming up, strong momentum push, rejecting these levels, previous levels of support and future level resistance, pull back, and maybe come back up to these highs, right? This is something that I am anticipating potentially for gold. We are forming some sort of a double bottom here on the higher time frame, so it is quite significant. Guys, that is literally it. If you have any questions, guys, don't be shy, comment below. Let me know what you think of this video, guys. If you were able to understand, please let me know if you guys understood this explanation on this gold trade that we took on NFP this last Friday. And guys, I hope you guys are doing well, and make sure you guys also join in the free Telegram group, guys. We have an amazing community down there. The links in the video description below, and also check out my VIP inner circle if you find that you're struggling with your trading and you're just really struggling, guys, and you need that extra guidance, that clarity, or you like the way I explain things, go check that out, guys. And it doesn't hurt to even try 30 days, guys, and check it out, because it's not just about signals with my VIP, but I also share my analysis. We do live private Zoom calls with my students, and if that is something that you feel called to, guys, I'm telling you, the best investment you can do is in yourself. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for today in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.